In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and add a shipping policy to your Shopify store. A clear shipping policy helps your customers understand things like delivery times, shipping costs, and where you ship to, which can really reduce confusion and support requests. Let's walk through the whole process from drafting your policy to publishing it in your Shopify settings. First, open your Shopify dashboard and log into your store. You should land on the main admin homepage, where you can see your orders, products, and analytics. Keep this tab open, because we'll come back to it in a moment. Next, open a new tab and head over to your AI writing tool of choice. In this example, I'm using an AI assistant to generate the shipping policy text. In your prompt, be as detailed as possible. Mention things like your typical processing time, estimated delivery time for each region, whether you offer free shipping above a certain order value, which carriers you use, and how you handle lost or delayed packages. If you're not sure what to include, ask the AI what information it needs from you. Then provide those details so the policy is accurate and tailored to your store. Once the AI generates your shipping policy, read through it carefully. Make sure it matches how you actually plan to ship orders and adjust any wording that doesn't fit your business. When you're happy with it, highlight the entire policy and copy it. Now switch back to your Shopify dashboard. On the bottom left of the admin menu, click on Settings. This will open a new page with different sections for your store configuration. From this list, look for the section labeled Policies or Legal and click on it. This is where Shopify lets you manage your legal pages, like your refund policy, privacy policy, and of course, your shipping policy. On the Policies page, find the Shipping Policy field. Click into that empty text box, then paste the shipping policy you copied from your AI tool. Take a moment to scroll through it and make sure the formatting looks good and that nothing is cut off. When everything looks right, look for the Save or Publish option for that policy and click it. Shopify will then add the shipping policy to your store, usually in the footer under your legal or policy links. That's it. You've created and added a shipping policy to your Shopify store, giving your customers clear expectations